Hey everyone, Jay Grams here from the Volo Auto Museum. I've been telling you to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we're getting some really great cars, and I'm going to deliver with this one. How cool is this AMX? The colors are amazing. Factory blue with a silver interior, the red lines on the chrome magnum wheels. This is the sharpest AMX I think I've ever seen. So go to volocars.com, you'll get the pricing, the specs. We put pictures underneath, top to bottom, and there's a few hundred collector cars on there for sale at all times, so go to volocars.com and see that. But for right now, we're going to take it for a spin. I'm going to tell you all about this car. Again, look at the colors, incredible. It was born these colors. The body and paint is phenomenal. The gaps are like a new Lexus all the way around. This is all real nice fitting metal, and it's straight. Look at the reflection right down along the bottoms. There's no bubbling, it's not wavy. All the trim and stainless is bright and shiny. Tires and wheels must be new because they're awesome looking. Bumper shiny. The tail light lens here is excellent. I don't see any cracks. It's all real nice, not faded. Emblems are sharp. Door handles are not pitted. Really nice jambs, nice rubber. But check out that inside. Silver interior. The seats have been recovered. These are original door panels. All the carpet is mint. The whole dash area is mint. Steering wheel, the wood grain, it's excellent condition. Up front, the grille is real nice, and the headlight bezels and bumper, everything is great. 390 motor. It's a numbers matching car. It came with a 390. It's detailed out just like it was born. It even has the original smog pump still in place, the right air cleaner with the heat riser tube going down to the exhaust manifold. It has the valve cover with the tag with the original numbers on it. So really nice clean engine compartment. Everything's proper. The fan shroud, wiring, it's all in place the way it should be. That's the original blue in the engine bay. It's never been repainted, the best I can tell. 4-speed. So it's a 390 big block 4-speed. In a little car like this, you know you'll have fun with this car. Look at the radio, the lenses, the knobs. The dash pad is all pristine. There's no splits in the dash. In the trunk, has a space saver spare. The rim has been restored. Has the jack. Has the air bottle. Nice trunk mats, all painted real nice in there. Nice weather strips. It's wet. I think they just washed the car before bringing it in here. Look inside there. Now I'm going to start this thing up. It's got embroidered AMX floor mats. All the pedals are nice. The knobs, heater controls. It's all great. It's car number 11948. Each one of these was numbered. Sill plates are shiny. It's got a tachometer, it's working. Radio works. Horn works. Motor runs nice and smooth. It does have a stone chip. The windshield's crystal clear, but it's a shame. It does have one stone chip up there. The trim is real nice. Comes with a 1969 shop manual and two 1969 license plates. Color combination makes this car. Tail lights work. Amc Auction valued this car at $45,000 to $65,000. Car's from Missouri. It's rock solid, clean body, but colors mean a lot. When you get a car, you want it to look good. You want people to be impressed. You want people to say, wow, that's sharp looking. And that's what this car is doing. We got fantastic cars here, hundreds of them, and this car has been grabbing the attention of everyone. Even the guys that work here are like, man, I love that car. The photographer can't wait to get in here and photograph this car as soon as I'm done. So there you have it. Go to volocars.com. Up in the right-hand corner of your screen, there's a link you can click. Takes you right to this car. You'll see a few hundred cars for sale. Sales@volocars.com is our email. We can set up financing, shipping. We'll answer questions. We can get this car in your garage before you know it. So you better jump on it before someone else takes it and puts it in their garage. Thanks for watching.